Here it is, LED rear brake light turn signals for the 66 Mustang. I've been having issues with my brake lights on the Mustang. They're pretty inconsistent. They're not the greatest. So what I decided to do was upgrade. These are LED replacements for both sides. Basically, you plug it in to the rear, same way you would plug in a light bulb, but now these are going to be wired in. The only difference the manufacturer says that I have to do is change out the splasher. It adds a ground to it. Once I change out the splasher, it should be able to handle the LEDs for turn signals. So that'd be the next part. They just came in the mail, ordered them for 4th of July. They was on special, and we're gonna get them installed for the weekend and try them out, see how we go. Splasher is installed right here, factory location. Just sits there. The ground is right up here. So headlights are on. Turn signal on the right hand side is on. Look how bright that thing is. Crazy. Big difference. Here's the left side. Super cool. Can't wait. Let's go for a ride. These suckers are bright. Makes a heck of a difference. Headlights are next.